Howdy everyone, this is James from Mimaki, one of the print specialists out of Dallas-Fort Worth. We're here at Printing United in Las Vegas, having an absolute blast. I'm actually showcasing one of my favorite machines. The fact that it is our entry-level flatbed absolutely makes it so accessible, but the simple fact that you're able to add something like this high-speed kebab, completely game changer when it comes to being able to maybe throw versatile products from business cards to anime convention stuff, to just being able to switch out and roll tumblers all day. So what's awesome about this setup is they've actually remapped the way they completely print using these flathead printers. So the flatbed printer essentially is gonna have a head that goes back and forth. But with this system, what they've done is they made it to where the head actually docks and sits static one channel at a time, where instead of going back and forth, the digital rotation supplements that amount of energy. So the less risk, the less amount of all-around inertia that you have to deal with in a computer is completely taken out of the print quality and any type of issues and variables based on how this is set up. You take your large diameter, you take your small diameter, and as you put this in, the tilt angle will actually be determined by the system itself. So 4.5 minutes later, all I have to do at the operator level is just switch out the print. So I'm gonna take this blank and I wanna show you guys how easy it is. I grab my plate here. I'm gonna put Mr. Cow right back to where he's gonna go straight into printing. This guy will line up essentially right here, and this chuck is about as easy as it gets. So at an operator level, you're looking at maybe about 30 seconds worth of production time that you're gonna have to use switching to a new product. This sensor will dock right here, and all you're doing is you're using the same setup that you do to print every single one without having to actually go through the steps of resetting it up every single time. One little switch, and now I'm completely done. And 4 minutes later, I'm switching myself out another blank. So I'll take my chuck, about a quarter of a turn. I can pull this off. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on my freshly printed cow here. And then essentially at the operator level, all you're doing is prepping for that next switch. So about five minutes, 20 cups an hour, absolutely no problem. If I want to go back to printing on the flatbed, about 8 thumb screws, 5-10 minutes, I'm able to print and essentially go back to whatever workflow I was working on before I started knocking out these cups. So thank you so much. We look forward to seeing y'all down the road.